Yeah, it's still a continuation of test of orals, all right, under the consonant sounds, all right. And we have these two on the board, the P and the Y sound, all right. Under the P sound, we still have varieties of spellings, okay. Here we have single P and that's double P, all right. Don't forget the law that says when you have double consonants when you are transcribing, you remove one and retain one. So here under single P, all right, this P, yes, that's the pronunciation. Then here we have ape, right? That's single P, ape, right? Ape, pronounce after me, ape. Then we have pan, pan. Say that again, pan, okay? Then we have hap, all right? Hap, hap. Remember the P sounds, all right? Then we have pain, pain, all right? Pain. Then please, right? All of them have single P's, all right? Okay, then we have the case of a double P. When you have an apple, apple, all right, is double P, apple. Then supple, supple, all right? So you have this supple, all right? By transcription now you have this and this, you know the rationale behind it, okay? The U sound changes to inverted V, and you have the P sound plus the ER that will change to schwa naturally. So that's PP under supper. Then we have happy, all right? Don't forget, Y normally changes to E sound. That's single I at the end. Okay? Then we have nappy, all right? After happy, double P, then nappy too. That's under PP sound. And don't forget, we have an exception to this. There are some P's that don't, sound out, like pneumonia. All right? You don't say pneumonia, right? Pneumonia. All right? And then the P in physics is not pronounced as P. All these ones are exceptions. All right? You pronounce as physics, or you just say pieces, right? So that all these ones are exceptions. Those ones that normally you don't pronounce their P's, or their P sound in a different dimension, right? So we have the Y is called Y sound, Y, all right? Every Y changes to J, all right, in terms of transcription. Every Y changes to small letter J. So these sounds is called Y sound. So here we have single Y, all right? Yes, you can see that I'm talking about Y sound. So under yes, is it not the same Y that is coming up? Yes, all right? Y. So yes, okay? Then you is still you, all right? You. Don't forget, there is that thing I want to let you know, and that's this. You see this word here. By the time you want to transcribe like this. Then there is another word that looks like this. Only in transcription, but you wouldn't know. I'll let you know now. And that's this word. If you ask some people to pronounce this word, they will call it ewe or ewe, which is very wrong. This word is still pronounced as you, all right, and it has the same pronunciation, all right, has the same transcription, and pronunciation. Just like this word here, where you have a case of this, all right. This word here has a similar pronunciation and transcription as this. Call it key, key. All right. So by transcription, you have a case of this. All right. So that's that. Now we now have yam. You see y sound. Don't forget yam, yam. So that's the Y there. Then we have eu too. That sound y. All right. So in case of stew. So transcribe stew. View. They will be very easy because after the first consonant, the next one is y sound plus u that is long. So you have a case of, if I want to transcribe these three now, I'll have stew, see the way it is, all right? Then I have few, see the way it is, all right? Remember to put your slash and off to make it a sound. Then we have view, all right? We have a case of these two. That's by transcription, right? Then we have use. That's for single U, all right? Use, all right? Can't call it use now. It is use, all right? U sound, Y. Then students, not students, students, all right? Then unique. So you have this here. You must underline all these ones. Don't forget, right? View, okay? Then you have these two under the students, students, all right? Then you can't say unique, but unique. The same thing with university, all right? Is there. Then there are some EAU too, but that is not that common. Found in very few words like beauty, all right? Beauty. Then what about UI that sounds U too? Tuition, university tuition, all right? Tuition, all right? And so that's that, all right, for the two consonants on the board and the examples we have actually given, all right? Don't forget that anytime you are doing transcription, all right, or you put a word under a particular phonetic symbol, try to, indicate by underlining, just like we have on the board right now, okay? So in our next class, we shall look at other consonant sounds in oral English.